Many Arkansans are still hesitant to get the COVID-19 vaccine despite an influx of COVID patients in hospitals. 5 News reporter Catherine Gilker joining us live in studio tonight to break down a poll that was done to find out why some in Northwest Arkansas won't get the shot and what happens next with that information. Catherine, how was this poll done?
The Northwest Arkansas Council conducted the poll last week. Surveyors randomly called 413 registered voters who live in Benton and Washington counties. With this data, the council hopes to help organize messaging about vaccines. Of the more than 400 people polled, the Northwest Arkansas Council found that 62% of people in Northwest Arkansas have been vaccinated. The rate is higher than the state, where the vaccination rate is less than 38%. 30% of the people polled who haven't been vaccinated say they aren't interested in getting the vaccine.
There's about 30% in there that are waiting to see based on safety and efficacy. And we think that's an area where that we can probe deeper and try to get more of those individuals vaccinated.
President and CEO of the Northwest Arkansas Council, Nelson Peacock, says they plan to get these people vaccinated with more personal communication.
Get local doctors talking to individuals about the vaccine and, go through the data about the safety and efficacy. So that's hopefully where we can, start gearing our messaging and targeted message towards those individuals.
When it comes to masking, the poll revealed that almost 70% of people believe it's the role of the local government, not the state, to implement mask mandates. Peacock says there are about a third of people who don't want to be told to mask, social distance, or get the vaccine. He says they don't know what to do about that one-third, but thinks a carefully crafted message can get through to the people who are undecided.
Need trusted messengers to share with them that the vaccine is safe, that masking actually does work, and those are the best ways for us to get back to normal. I think that's where we have to spend most of our time because I think there's just a third of the people that we're not going to be able to get to, at least in the near term.
The Northwest Arkansas Council says they'll continue their vaccine messaging with commercials and billboards and really work with doctors and nurses to have more personal conversations with their patients about the vaccine. NWA Council wants people to know there are lots of options to get the vaccine every day of the week, and many without appointments. They have a calendar showing all the places where it's being offered. You can find a link to that on our website at 5newsonline.com.
All right, Catherine, thanks.